Hello students, yesterday I uploaded a video related to the chapter subject and predicate where I told you the subject is the person or thing being spoken about and the predicate is what is being said about the subject. And today I will explain some exercises to you. Let's have our first exercise. As you can see, we have two images, one where answers are not written and another side we have an image where all the answers are filled. So just look at the first image where all the exercises are blank. So here the heading is written, pick out the subject from the given sentences. Again I am telling you what is the subject. The subject is the person or thing being spoken about. In Hindi we can say जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is subject. And subject is always who, कौन. So here we have a first sentence, the doll is wearing a red frock. So the question arises, who is wearing a red frock? Answer is the doll. Who? The doll is the subject. Next, the helmet belongs to Danny. The subject is the person or thing being spoken about. Then what is the thing being spoken about here? The helmet. So the helmet is the subject. Next, this album has photographs of the whole family. Who has photographs of whole family? This album. So this album is the subject here. Next we have Clara and Dora have gone for a holiday. Who have gone for a holiday? Clara and Dora. So they are subject. These books that are on the shelf are good for children. So we are talking about these books here. So these books that are on the shelf is the subject. Next, Ruskin Bond, the famous writer, has autographed my book. Again, the question arises, who has autographed my book? Who means Ruskin Bond, the famous writer, is the subject. All the answers are written opposite side. You can see here. Next, we have the doctor has come to see my grandmother. Who has come to see my grandmother? The doctor. So the doctor is the subject because we are talking about the doctor here. And at last we have the birds flew down to peck at the seeds. Again, who? Or we can say we are talking about the birds here. So the birds is the subject. Let's have another exercise. Here what we have to do, we have to pick out the predicate from the given sentences. I told you subject always contains a noun or a pronoun. Similarly, predicate always contains verbs. Either it can be helping verb or action verbs. So we have first sentence, most robots do the work of men. If I will ask you what is the subject here, or we can say what we are talking about, so we are talking about most robots. It means most robots is the subject and what is being said about the robots, that will be predicate. So do the work of men is the predicate here. Similarly, we have many sentences. Just look at them. A little mouse scampered across the room. So scampered across the room is the predicate. You can see we have action verb here. Next we have my uncle's car was stolen last night. In this sentence, my uncle's car is the subject and what we are talking about, the car, that will be the predicate. So, was stolen last night is the predicate. As I told you, predicate always contains a verb. In this sentence, we have helping verb and action verbs both. Next sentence, Bob and Ben are going for a swim. So the question arises, who are going for a swim? Bob and Ben. So Bob and Ben is the subject, and what is being said about the subject? That will be predicate. So are going for a swim is the predicate. My sister loves to draw pictures. So my question is, what is being said about my sister? Loves to draw pictures is the predicate. Next we have, everyone in the bus was happy. Who was happy? Everyone in the bus. So everyone in the bus is the subject and was happy is the predicate. The lady with long hair is a scientist. Who is a scientist? Who will be the subject? The lady with long hair will be the subject. Is a scientist is helping verb, and helping verb will be in a predicate. So is a scientist is the predicate. And at last we have, that naughty boy wearing shorts is trying to run away. Who is trying to run away will be the subject. So that naughty boy wearing shorts will be the subject, and is trying to run away, because what we are talking about, the naughty boy, is the predicate. Is trying to run away is the predicate here. Look all the sentences carefully. After this video, just again watch the video and solve the exercises by your own, and then match the answers with this slide. And here we have the next exercise, add the subject or the predicate. These are my answers. You can write your own, and the answers may vary. So don't worry कि you have to learn these answers, then you have to write. You can make the sentences by your own. That will be the correct. Okay. Add the subject or the predicate. Now understand what I am saying. Subject will be either noun or a pronoun, and predicate will always contain a verb. Okay, let's start. Dash made a tasty pudding for Patsy. Who made a tasty pudding? Who is the subject? So we can write anything, Shalu, she, my mother, anything, that will be the subject. Next, those tall green trees is the subject, and we have to add predicate here. I have written, those tall green trees are making environment clean. Are making environment clean is the predicate. Next we have, Betsy's clothes and shoes are of good quality. Betsy's clothes and shoes is the subject, and what I have written with a pencil, that is the predicate. You can see in the predicate we have verb in all the sentences, and subject is either a noun or a pronoun. Dash climbed the stairs slowly. We can write the baby, my mother, my grandmother, my grandfather. Everything is correct. Just add the subject or the predicate which is suitable to the rest of the sentence. Next, dash milked the buffaloes. The milkman milked the buffaloes. Dash grazed in the nearby field. Who grazed in the nearby field? It means we are writing the subject. The cattle grazed in the nearby field. The little lambs dash The little lambs is the subject and we have to add predicate. So I have written ran away quickly. You can see ran is the past form of run, which is an action verb. And at last, the tractor is full of mud. Who is full of mud? The tractor. So the tractor is the subject and is full of mud is the